Today we're going to be checking out some cute and trendy hairstyle ideas. These are all really interesting hairstyles, by the way, so if you want to try to replicate them, definitely do your best. So this first one features a rainbow inspired like hairline. So she's using eyeshadow and just a variety of different like lipsticks and eyeliners and such to kind of do the middle. She used like this color retouch or whatever spray in order to adhere the color, and then she's setting it with the magic roots. That's definitely a fun trend to try out if you are like heading out with some friends and you just want to do something different with your hair. And she also added the 90s clip in the front to kind of give some more interest. And I'm sure that stuff probably just like washes right out. So next up we see a color transformation. So this one looks like it's going to feature some rainbow colors. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, glow in the dark. This is so cool. Another great option if you are heading out and you just want to do something different with your hair. Wow. So this one looks like she might be doing like wax paint or something. And they're also doing like rainbow inspired coloring. And then this is one of my favorite influencers to follow. She does a lot of DIY hair coloring. So it looks like she's mixing up like a really pretty like turquoisey blue look. So first I thought maybe she was just going to do her roots, but it looks like she's doing her entire head. Are those the results? Wow, it came out green. I thought it was going to be like a turquoisey color. Well, I guess it's more turquoisey towards the ends and then like green towards the roots. That's a fun little look. So then we move into the next one. So she's also doing a DIY color. It looks like she might be doing money piece highlight or pop of color. So she has, oh, she bleached it and she dyed it red. Oh, wow. That came out so bomb. Look at her makeup and the eyebrow. Gorgeous. That looks definitely a vibe. So next up, she's doing a blowout. So it looks like she's doing some curtain bangs. She has really pretty long hair, like very flowy and thick. Oh, she has got some really thick hair too. So her hair is like really long and like curly, wavy. So it looks like she's deep conditioning it and cutting her ends. So she cut like maybe like an inch of hair off. Wow, her hair's super long. Long hair for days. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I know that it was super short, but I hope that you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.